we are given a homogeneous cylinder that has a mass of 100 kilograms and rests on smooth surfaces A and B as shown. We are tasked to compute the contact force at B. And to solve this problem, let's draw our reaction on the body. So this has a weight of 100 kilograms. Let's call this W. And the reaction force at A that is normal to the surface. Let's call this R sub A. And this is normal or perpendicular to the surface. And for reaction at B, let's call this R sub B. Now if we try to draw a vertical line on A and B, knowing that this angle here is 30 degrees, therefore, by geometry or trigo, you can prove that this angle here is also equal to 30 degrees. Now for a straight line, that is a sum of angle of 180 degrees. Therefore, this angle left here must be equal to 180 minus 90 degrees minus 30, that is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle left here is equal to 60 degrees, which means that this angle here must also be equal to 60 degrees. Now we can take summation force horizontal equal to 0, considering rightward forces to be positive. So we have R sub A sine of 30 degrees minus the component of R sub B acting horizontal, that is R sub B sine of 60 degrees equal to 0. This serves as our first equation. And for second equation, we take summation force vertical equal to 0, considering upward forces to be positive. So we have the reaction A with the vertical component by multiplying it by cosine of 30 degrees plus R sub B with the component going upward, that's a value of R sub B cosine of 60 degrees minus the weight W, that is a value of 100 kilograms times 9.81 to convert this into newtons equal to 0. So this serves as our equation number 2. So we have two equations with two unknowns. We can go to our calculator and press mode 5.1. That will help us to solve two equations with two unknowns. So we have R sub A with the coefficient of sine 30 degrees and R sub B of negative sine of 60 degrees equal to 0. And for the second equation, we have R sub A cosine of 30 degrees plus R sub B of cosine 60 degrees equal to the constant term. So by adding both sides of 100 times 9.81, this becomes equals R sub A cosine 30 degrees plus R sub B cosine 60 degrees equal to 100 times 9.81. So we have the reaction at A that is equal to 849.57 newtons. And for R sub B, that is a value of 490.5 newtons. And this is our final answer.